I think everyone knows who VisiBuild is now. Yeah. And we say we're going in tenders, put it in bold. We use VisiBuild. It kind of means you're serious, and they're not having to implement their own. So we kind of have a range of things. We're pretty diverse. We're linked up to do Mountain Hospital, which is a big job for us. So we just did a job from rework, which we ran through VisiBuild, which is amazing. We did a few data centers for Microsoft with Capital Group. We know that they're really custom, really fast paced, which again suits us. If it's big and it's ugly, we want to have a crack at it. So there's a job that we went to recently and we had to go and fix some stuff and we didn't do it. Well, we can see the layers underneath before the cladding system. The cladding system can be built up a meter, can be built up 100 mil. Without knowing what's in there before ripping stuff off, who knows? And we're like, have you got VisiBuild? Yes. They pull it up, they pulled it up, and we could see what was in there before we even had to rip it apart. With VisiBuild, everything's documented in photos. We could say, we know what's there, we can do X, Y, Z. Massive step, you know, that eliminated a big process on one small thing. So we spend a lot of money on our data. Flashing, material, labor, we track everything. I think our defects are down about 30% in the last 12 months. Prior to that, tracking them, we don't have a lot of data. Well, we already know whether that comes with VisiBuild, experience, or both together. We're definitely doing a lot less rework. That makes us more competitive because our end product's way better. No defects, no rework. You're not spending heaps of money on fixing problems. Because we're building it ourselves here, we can document the process before it gets there. Doesn't mean we don't check it there, but it's already been checked and wrapped and then photo on the truck. So our site teams are not worried. The QA has been done.
On day to day, I'd be organising sort of the scope of works to be put into the system with you guys. Yeah, specifically targeted by the boys per section, per area, per profile. So obviously I'll send through a breakdown of how we're installing MondoClad for example, and then that'll all be in the system. The boys will go in there, take their photos and just tick off one by one. So
one of the things we're doing is teaching our young guys. So there's a few jobs that we're doing that you don't even need a QA system. Because we're trying to set a standard ourselves, we'll then implement VisiBuild on there. They'll take photos of areas and they're not going to upload photos that aren't done right. So it's accountability from top to bottom, which is, I think, as an owner, the best thing. I mean, we invest in people and our business. That is the #1 way to invest in people, is having accountability tracked when you're not looking.